Create two decadent French desserts with simple ingredients. Creme brulee and French apple tart. Hello my angels, I'm Angel, culinary school grad, retired prep cook, and retired line cook. Welcome to my channel and to another video. Let's get started. Yeah. Yeah.
None.
To use this tart for parties, use a sharp knife to cut the tart into bite-sized pieces. Then use a piping bag with a star tip to place dollops of whipped cream onto every single bite. Your guests will adore you for it. So, how do you like this recipe? If you like it, all you have to do is give me a thumbs up. That's going to be a like. Share on all media platforms. Leave a comment down below. And come back and see what I have next time. Thank you for watching. I'll see you then. Bye. So if you're in need of more dessert ideas, check out this playlist right here. As always, please be the blessing to someone. And many blessings and much favor until we meet again. And I will see you next time.